A rectangular garden is n metres wide. So if we start to draw our rectangular garden, it's n metres wide. Its length is 2 metres longer than its width. The width is n, so the length should be n plus 2. Find a formula for the area of the garden in terms of n. The area of a rectangle is length times width. So in this case, we're just going to be doing length, n plus 2, times n. It's very important, however, that you will put the n plus 2 in a bracket because we need to work out the whole of the length before we multiply by the width. And if we're going to make it a little bit tidier algebraically, we would probably normally put the n first, bracket the n plus 2. We don't need to show the time sign when we're multiplying. The volume of a cylinder is given by V equals pi r squared h, and that of a cone is given by V equals pi over 3. The volume of the cylinder, pi r squared h, is the same as, or it is actually double that, and the volume of the cone. So the volume of the cone, it's equivalent to 2 lots of pi over 3 r squared h. We're told that the radius is the same, so we can use r here and r here because the radius is the same, but these two heights are not the same. So maybe we'll call this h1, which is the height of the cylinder, and h2, the height of the cone. If we look at this, we can see that we have a pi on both sides, so these can be simplified out or divided through. What you're actually doing here was you're dividing both sides of the equation by pi. And also we also have an r squared, so we can also divide both sides of the equation by r squared in order to simplify it. That now leaves us with h1, which is the height of the cylinder, is equal to 2/3 of h2, the height of the cone. To find the ratio, we could actually then multiply both sides by 3 and bring this 3 over. So 3 lots of the height of the cylinder is the same as, this will now cancel out, 2 lots of the height of the cone. To make this equal, we could use the value of 2 for h1. So 3 times 2 is equal to 2 times 3. So to make this equation work, we could say that h1 to h2, in this case h1 has a value of 2 and h2 has a value of 3. So the ratio is 2 to 3.